JDCap26 here, just do tips and peers and hobbies, and welcome to my channel, guys and girls. So what I want to say about this model is that this represents a model that they did commercially for the market. If you go and watch the original episode of Lost in Space and this episode of the Cyclops, you'll find out that Will saves the day in the episode. It's in black and white, and just want to tell you about that and try to watch a few episodes around that, and you'll get the gist of the story. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. I hope this information helps you, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.